Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. So in this video mainly I am going to discuss with you all about the pharmacokinetics. Pharmacokinetics, especially the absorption part. We know that pharmacokinetics mainly has ADME process, that is absorption, distribution, metabolism and excretion. So in this video I am going to mainly discuss about the absorption in the detail. Okay, I will mainly explain you all the concepts with my notes so that it will be easy for you all to understand it and write it down if any important points you need. So let's move on.
So the first thing we have to know is what is drug. Drug is nothing but any substance that will alter the structure and function of the living organism. Okay, when you administer it, it will alter the structure and the function of the living organism. So what is poison? Poison is nothing but it is a substance that will cause irritation, damage, and it will impair the body tissues. So that is called as poison. So you should know what is a drug and what is a poison before moving on. Okay. Usually we have to know that any medicine, when it is given in the excess dose, it will cause adverse effect to the patient. Okay, so that medicine also becomes toxic when it is given in the excess dose. Okay, so what is this therapeutic window? Therapeutic window is nothing but the concentration of the drug at the active site that exerts a biological response without exerting any toxic effects. It will mainly explain us about the concentration of drug or the amount of drug which when enters into the active site, it will exert a biological response rather than exerting any kind of toxic effects. Okay, so that is therapeutic window. Before moving on to this pharmacokinetics, we have to know why this pharmacokinetic study is important. Okay, the practitioner are able to determine the optimal drug dosing for the patient with the impaired or any kind of altered mechanism in the ADME process. And this can happen either due to the diet problem or any kind of genetical problem, environment problem, or any kind of diseases previously they have, or any allergy towards the medicine, their behavior, or due to the other drugs. So when you know pharmacokinetics, you can just alter the dose or adjust the dose in order to overcome all these problems. So what is pharmacokinetics? Pharmacon is nothing but drug and kinesis is nothing but the moment. In simple words, I can say that what the body does to the drug. When you administer a drug, what your body does to it, that is nothing but pharmacokinetics. And it mainly includes the ADME process as I have described, that is absorption, distribution, metabolism and excretion. So let us study the absorption in the detail. This was all about the topics that you had to know before starting the further concepts about the pharmacokinetics. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share the video and subscribe the channel.